high maintenance things that I do in order to remain low maintenance. And what I mean by high maintenance is just, it's either time consuming or relatively expensive. These are things that I've implemented into my life for a while or recently that I feel help me be a little bit more low maintenance on the daily. I can't stress how much laser hair removal changed my life. As somebody who has coarse hair, I'm Hispanic, a lot of hair, dark hair, and stubborn hair. I used to get ingrowns on my armpits and my bikini line, and ever since I got laser done, I haven't had any. Okay, so that alone is enough for me to spend the amount of money that laser costs, because it is expensive. After having a baby, my hormones changed and I grew a lot of hair again. However, I still don't have ingrowns and my hair is not as thick as it used to be. So even years later, it's still more manageable than it used to be. Personally, I like to do my nails once a month. I have tried everything. I've tried regular gel, rubber-based gel, hard gels, overlays, and gel X. The less you use your hands, the more I recommend a Russian manicure and a rubber-based gel, because it's really going to just help the integrity of your nail if you're not very hands-on, and it's a step up from gel. Gel, in my opinion, it's just not it anymore. Like, it doesn't last as long for me. Obviously, everybody's different, but rubber-based gel with a Russian manicure will last you a long time if you're not like super hands-on. Next step is a hard overlay or like a hard gel to really preserve your nails if you're a tiny bit more hands-on. The next step, if that still doesn't work for you and you're still like breaking your nails and it's not lasting you 4 weeks, then you can go the Gel X nail route, okay? I have tried all of them. I recently started doing Gel X. I tried everything and things were just not lasting as well. I have had these for almost 4 weeks already. Instead of the 1 hour or 2 hours that it used to take me, it takes me like 3 to 4 hours to do my nails, both manicure and pedicure, but I think it's 100% worth it because I only have to do it once a month and they have really lasted me the best out of all. I thought I was gonna break one. Like, I thought, obviously, if you get them super long, there is a chance that you can break them, but these have lasted me the best out of all of them. Along with this, gel toenails. My toenails look exactly the same the entire month, aside from like the little bit of growth that they have. Never going back to regular, unless like I want to just let my nails breathe for a little bit, but I'm never going back to regular pedicures because this is just so much better. Again, I don't have to worry about it for 4 weeks. Like, what more could I ask for? Yes, it's more expensive, but it's worth it. And if you calculate it, it actually comes out cheaper, because if you go every 2 weeks, you most likely end up paying more a month. Since we're speaking about nails, nail oiling. If you have very dry nails, sticky cuticles, very dry cuticles, you need to be nail oiling. I mean, you don't need to do anything, but I have just noticed such a huge difference. And again, it helps preserve my nails and it helps my nails look like I just got them done, even though it's been weeks. Not every nail oil is made the same, okay? I thought it didn't matter, but I recently got this nail oil. This is called the Nail Honey. Somebody on TikTok, a girl on TikTok who made her own little concoction and now she has a nail oil brand. I was so skeptical because I bought one on Amazon, which I thought was decent, you know, I thought it did the job. This one just seeps into my skin so good and into my cuticles, and I can tell a difference. Like, my cuticles look so moisturized right after I apply this compared to the other nail oil, which I feel like just kind of sits on my nail. It doesn't really like absorb as well as this one. So nail oiling is, you know, whether you want to keep your natural nails or you want to put like a Gel X or something, this will help your nails grow so strong. Same thing as if you oil your scalp. Like, the difference that I have noticed, which is my next point, the difference that I have noticed in my hair growth ever since I started hair oiling, I want to say, been a year yet, I think either 11 months to a year. Dramatic difference, okay? I notice, like, when I pick up my hair or when I'm gonna go blow dry my hair or do my hair after I've washed it, the different, like, from here up, which this is like the new growth in my hair, is so thick and so like healthy, and you can tell the texture difference. When my hair is very healthy, my texture comes out. It's very like wavy and like it's like a strong wave. You know, when my hair gets dry and unhealthy, it gets straight and it gets like very like limp and my wave goes away. And I could just tell the difference from this hair and the hair like on the rest of my head to my ends. You don't have to use expensive products. This is what I use right now. I have my JVN oil, which I think is a little bit more expensive. This one's from Sephora. This one is from Amazon. It's the brand Miel. I use this one more like on my problem areas, which is right here but you can use this obviously everywhere. It's just this is a thicker oil. I leave it in my hair on days where I'm gonna wash my hair. I either do it like 15 minutes before I'm gonna wash my hair, or I leave it on the whole day. I put it on in the morning, I slick my hair back, and then I wash my hair at night. Along with hair oiling, just good quality hair products that don't have a ton of ingredients in it. And when your hair is healthy, it is so much more manageable. I love K18. If you want like a brand that kind of has everything and it's a really good like all-around brand, K18, their shampoo, both their detox one and their pH balancing one, and their conditioner and their leave-in, I swear by this thing. It's so good. Their hair oil, sometimes I let my hair air dry with just this in it and this as like the leave-in, and I love it. So K18 is a very good starter brand. I really love Hello Jupiter if you have like a sensitive scalp or a dry scalp or dandruff or anything like that. Kerastase is also really good. Investing in good quality hair products equals your hair being a lot more manageable, which means lower maintenance in the end. Getting like conditioning treatments or moisturizing treatments in your hair, something that I do when I go trim my hair. And hair glosses. If you don't want to get professional ones, I have tried the one from Kerastase. It's the one that I use like once a week or once every 2 weeks, and I like that one, but obviously there's nothing like a professional hair gloss. Investing in good skincare. You're never gonna regret it. Korean skincare, if you guys haven't looked into it, definitely do some research on it. Yeah, on the daily, my makeup is very minimal, and I attribute that to good skincare. So these are just some of the products that I use. I don't want to go through everything like in detail, but a good like firming moisturizer. This is one that I use. This is like a daily treatment. It is the best thing probably that I have in all of my skincare. This stuff keeps me tight. Just getting a good moisturizer, something that you're putting on your face every single day that's really going to like firm and tighten and brighten your face, is gonna help you not have to use so much makeup and really shorten the amount of time that it takes you to get ready. A good sunscreen. These are the two that I've been interchanging and I love them. This is Abib Quick Sunstick SPF 50, and this is Madagascar Centella SPF 50. Both are Korean. Both are the best sunscreens I've ever used for my face. A good firming eye treatment. This is by Beauty of Joseon, and I use this at night. It has retinol in it, and it's just the Reviving Eye Serum. Love this thing so much. A good tretinoin or retinol, depending what you want to use. Again, not everybody needs this, but this one has niacinamide in it and hyaluronic acid. This is from my dermatologist, but just a good tretinoin. Even if it doesn't have hyaluronic acid and niacinamide and like calming ingredients, always having something like this in your little skincare arsenal, I can't recommend enough. Okay, I recommend this to everyone. This is the Cicaplast Balm B5. My skin loves this thing. Okay, I depend on this. I put this on almost every night. Like this is like my nighttime moisturizer on most nights, unless I'm like experimenting with something else. But for sure, I use this on nights where I'm using tretinoin or salicylic acid or anything that is like abrasive. So I recently started using the tretinoin, and my skin does get like a little flaky and dry. So I use this like once a week to kind of just like get rid of all that dead skin. And I always follow everything up with the Cicaplast B5. And this is just a toner that I swear by. This is the Paula's Choice Pore Reducing Toner. This thing will make your skin look so good. This gives you like glass skin without really putting much on your face. Implementing a 2-step cleanser at night is life-changing. This is what I use. This is the Anua Heartleaf Pore Control Cleansing Oil. I use this to take off my makeup before I get in the shower, and then once I get in the shower, I use the little duo that comes with this, which is the face wash. Double cleansing. Yes, it's time consuming. It's high maintenance. In the end, your skin will be so good that you will be low maintenance. Okay, you're not gonna need a lot of makeup on the daily. Teeth whitening. I recently started using these. These are the signature whitening strips by Guru Nada, and these things work. Okay, I'm only on my 3rd day. This comes in a pack of 7. I only put them on for 30 minutes because I have sensitive teeth, but you can use this for up to 60 minutes. And this stuff's good. It's like natural. It's made out of coconut oil. A good shower head filter. You do not need one that's super expensive. I get mine on Amazon. I will link the ones that I use down below. There's a lot going into your scalp and your hair from your shower head. Okay, so you want to have a filter. Obviously, the filter is not going to get rid of everything, but it's going to get rid of a lot. This just goes with the hair care. I have water filters in both of my bathrooms. It's what I wash my son with. You know, he has eczema, and I've noticed a huge difference on his skin as well. It's not just the hair, it's the skin. So you really want to be cautious of the water, you know, it's something that's going on your whole body and your hair and your scalp. And a lot of people kind of just don't really pay attention to it. A lot of people wonder why their hair just looks like crap all the time. Your water can contribute to a lot of buildup on your head, on your hair, on your scalp. And that is the worst thing you can have on your hair. You want to detox your hair as much as you can, like once a week is what I do, because you're always gonna have some kind of buildup. But if you can stop some of that buildup that comes from your actual water through a water filter, that's even better. What I've noticed that I do in order to really get the most out of my very simple outfits and make them a little bit more fun is accessorize. Okay, so adding something like this, a pop of color or a fun like silhouette in a shoe, or a colored shoe, or you know, like a studded belt. Like just every time that I'm going to buy an accessory, I think, okay, how would this make my outfit more interesting, or would it keep it like super boring? I still buy the boring accessories, okay, because those are the ones that go with more things, but throwing things like this just really helps you keep your outfit, like your wardrobe, very low maintenance, I like to call it, like just very simple. You know, like you don't have to give in to every trend in terms of clothing. You could just invest in a couple of accessories or switch up your accessories. This is what I'm wearing today. I'm just wearing a tube top and some jeans and a jean shirt. And I threw this on with some sneakers and that's it. You know, a little pop of something. Very low maintenance. Like I didn't even put thought into this outfit, but I threw on this bag and it looks like I put thought into it. So yeah, accessories. I recently also got a very colorful necklace, which I really love, and I feel like it elevates these super simple outfits. Like every time you're gonna buy an accessory, think to yourself, okay, what is the outfit that I wear the most, that I feel the most comfortable in, that I don't even think about? Like it's my go-to outfit. For me, it's like a white tee and some jeans, or a tank top and some jeans. And then I think, okay, would this accessory make this more fun? Would it elevate this outfit somehow? And that is usually how I decide on what bags to get, aside from practicality, you know, and assuming that you already have all of like your basic bags that match with everything. Like when you really want to have fun with your outfits, accessorizing kind of like feeds that little need that we want, or like, you know, like that craving that we want to give into trends. So it doesn't have to be super trendy, just like a color. All right, that's it. I think I covered everything. Honestly, I think I could film a couple more of these, because I feel like I do a lot of like relatively high maintenance or like time consuming or expensive things that make my daily life a little easier, you know? So let me know if you guys like this video. I would love to hear things that you guys do to remain low maintenance down in the comments. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video.